URL shorteners are a great convenience. They allow you to take a long URL and shrink it down to fit neatly in email messages, blog posts, and tweets. But URL shorteners have a problem. Trust. When you send a shortened URL to someone, you're asking them to trust that the address you're sending them won't take them somewhere they don't want to go. It's a big issue because URL shorteners are easy to abuse. They can be used to trick users into visiting dangerous sites, and they can cause not safe for work accidents. So quite a few users are understandably leery of shortened URLs. They've been burned in the past, and they don't want to be burned again. rvlme brings trust back to short URLs. The first time an end user follows a rvlme short URL, they'll see an interstitial page which tells them where they're about to go. The interstitial page includes the destination URL, the title of the destination page, and the page description. It also tells them if the URL has been flagged by other users and what percentage of previous users have decided to follow the link all the way to the destination. If the page is known to contain content that is not safe for work, appears in our phishing or malware databases, or is a known or suspected hate site, that information is also provided to the end user. The interstitial page is entirely optional. End users can use the My rvlme settings control panel to block the interstitial page from appearing, make it appear for every URL in the future, or make it appear only when certain criteria are met as specified by the end user. rvlme puts the end user in the driver's seat. The end user decides when they'll be sent directly to the destination and when they'll be shown the interstitial page. There are three types of URLs you can create with rvlme. The simplest type is the shortest URL. As the name implies, this will give you the shortest length URL available. No registration of any kind is required to create this type of URL. The other two types of URLs are trackable and vanity URLs. These types of URLs are slightly longer than the basic URL, but they allow you to view reports for the traffic they generate. When you create a trackable or vanity URL, you'll be asked to provide your email address. If you don't care about viewing reports, you can skip this step. But if you wish to view the reports for your trackable and vanity URLs, you'll need to provide a valid email address and check your inbox for the confirmation email. That email will contain a link you will use to verify the email address you've provided. After you've verified your email address, you can view your reports by clicking the View Reports link that appears at the bottom of the page. The rvlme reports contain basic information about the traffic for your trackable and vanity URLs, including the short ID for the URL. This is the portion of the URL that appears after the / in a rvlme URL. The date and time the URL was created. The destination URL that it points to. In this field, you may see a truncated version of the destination URL. You can see the full version by clicking the plus sign that appears next to it. The title of the page for the destination URL. You can see the full title by clicking the plus sign that appears next to it. The number of 301 clicks for your URL. This is the number of times that a user was passed directly to the destination URL without seeing the interstitial page. Users will be passed directly to the destination URL based on their selections in the My rvlme settings control panel that appears on every interstitial page. The number of screened clicks for your URL. This is the number of times that the interstitial page was viewed for your URL. If you want to view the URL information that is presented to end users for this page, simply click on the plus sign next to this number. The number of completed clicks for your URL. This is the number of users who click on the link from the interstitial page and continue to the destination. The completion percentage for your URL. This is the percentage of users who click on the link from the interstitial page and continue to the destination. The user information for your URL. By clicking the plus sign, you can see a list of the countries where your end users live, as well as a breakdown by country for each of the statistics we've previously mentioned. The From URL, which is the referring URL information. By clicking the plus sign, you can see a list of referring URLs. These are the locations where your rvlme short URLs are appearing. They may include Twitter, blogs, other websites, or even email services. As with the user information, this list gives you a breakdown of the other statistics we've previously discussed. The My Ads section gives you the ability to add your own Google AdSense code to the interstitial pages that appear when users follow your rvlme URL. If you don't use your own Google AdSense code, the interstitial pages may show ads which contain rvlme's Google AdSense code. This is how rvlme defrays the cost of providing this service. However, you are free and welcome to replace it with your own. It's our way of saying thank you for helping to introduce this service to the Internet community. Adding your Google AdSense code is easy. Simply click on the plus sign, copy and paste your AdSense code into the form provided, and save your changes. When a URL has an active AdSense code associated with it, the plus signs in the My Ads column change from blue to green, and your Google AdSense code will now appear on the interstitial pages for that URL. The last section allows you to delete a URL. Please note, deleting a rvlme URL will not disable the link. It'll simply remove the URL from your reports. It will also disable the AdSense code for that URL if you've added AdSense code. A few more navigational features are also worth mentioning. In the top row of the report is a row of question mark icons. These can be used to access information about the columns in which they appear. Below some of the column titles are up arrow and down arrow icons. These allow you to sort your report in ascending or descending order. And that's rvlme. We hope you enjoy the service, and we hope your end users benefit from the added level of safety it provides them when following your short URLs.